Hello and welcome back to Come Play with Rosanne. Today we are going to show you another amazing and easy home decor in our Christmas decoration series. To make this DIY, you'll need a transparent box. I used the box which had Christmas balls in it. You can also experiment with mason jars. You'll need some tinsels and colorful Christmas balls. Let's start putting all the things together. Fill this container with tinsel and Christmas balls. Creativity has no limit. You can get completely creative and make a different version of this decor. You can use original Christmas tree leaves and pine cones as well. It should look something like this. Finally, finish it up with a cute ribbon on top. This beautiful box can brighten up any empty space. Light some pretty candles around it and enjoy the Christmas magic. If you like this DIY and you try it as well, share it on Instagram and tag us. Also share this video to your dear ones. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And again, thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.